Welcome back to ACL. We're going to continue in Chapter 4. Today we're going to be doing the Find Transactions by Customer Number exercise. And in this exercise, we've been told that customer number 444413 has been doing some kind of shady stuff. There's transactions from all over the world, and it's a lot of money. So we want to isolate this customer and look at the transactions that they've made. So they tell us we can do that by two different ways. We can use this find function in the expressions, or we could just write a filter, and that's way easier, but we're going to do it both ways. Okay, ACL. So we're going to go to the transactions of April. I'll show you the easy way first. I'm just going to go no for representing customer number equal to, and put quotations, or the one with the one quotation. I don't know what that one's called, but one of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3. And that should work. That. And we have all of their transactions. We can count those to make sure we have the right amount. We have 26, and the book says we should have, they tell you here somewhere, I swear. Yeah, 26 out of 281. Let's make sure. Yep, that's what we have. So that's the easy way to do it. You can just put it in there. The other way they tell you how to do it is to edit, view, filter, go into this expression window, scroll down through these functions. If you've never used a function before, a function is a method or a way of doing something that generally takes like one argument and spits out some sort of algorithm. It'd be a lot easier if I just showed you, wouldn't it? Find, there it is. Use find. So this ACL is pretty nice with their functions. When they give you arguments, they tell you, okay, one of these needs to be a string or like a character type, and one of these needs to be a field, where to look for them. Now, why would you use this over just say using a filter is you can, instead of just putting a string, just putting say customer 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, and then the field number, which is customer number. We can let me verify that. Okay, good. That's good. Now, why you would use this over the other thing is that you can search not only for just a specific field, name, or a full type. You could also search the character substring. For example, I could run this, click OK, and we get the same thing. But if I just typed in 2 4s, we would get all of the customers that start with 2 4s instead of just only the customers that have all of these digits. So let's run that and see if that works. Okay, apparently that's the only one who has those. Bad example. Let me use another one. 0, 0. Let's find those. Okay, so there's a bit more of those there. So these are all the customers that have the first two customer number characters as 0, 0. So that's pretty neat. We will remove that filter. And I believe while we're at it, they want us to look at the transactions April field and go through and re-edit the table data, because apparently when we imported it, we didn't do it right, and they didn't tell us, so we would have to do this through the ACL program. So what a bunch of jerks. So go to edit, table layout, and we want amount to be numeric. Okay. Did I just break that? No. Okay. Card number needs to be a text format, so we change that to ASCII. Accept. You know, I'm kind of curious here. What does ASCII stand for? I think it's like American Standard something, something, something. I don't know. But I know codes needs to be not a numeric because we don't want to do calculations on it. Customer number, that's good. Description. Transaction date is a date time. See, it says D here, so that's good. So that is fine. Alright, we'll exit. And that happened. So let's exit out of that. Good. Oh, fun fact, guys. You know how we made a note on the employees here, on this 3? Apparently that saved a little, like in the icon, the little note there. So that's kind of neat. But, okay, so we found all the information on customer number 444413. And I don't think we're supposed to do anything with that other than that. We don't have any more information on that customer to say, well, this doesn't make sense because whatever. So that's as far as we're going to go with that. And in the next one, we'll do the next exercise. That's it for using filters and finding shady customers.